Hello, my name is Amakayopo. I come from the Igbo ethnicity in Nigeria, West Africa. I teach Igbo Spirituality. I do my teachings mainly in the Igbo language, but every month I do a teaching in the English language to carry along my followers that are non-Igbo. So this is my April 2025 video. The topic I want to share with you is the Igbo market days. In Igbo cosmology, we have 4 market days. And our market days are spiritual. They have spiritual meanings. We have the Eke, Orie, Afo, Mpo. Every market there has an element of life associated with it. So the first market there is the Eke. It has the fire element or the light element. So in the Igbo language, we call it Anyam. And the Eke market there has the attribute of transformation, passion, and the energy that has to do with reviving, renewal of a person, a community, or an event. We have the Ore market there. That's the second market, is the Ore. And its element is water. The water has the attribute of healing, cleansing, purification, caring, nurturing. Then we have the Afo market there. The Afo market there has the earth element, the mother earth. And the attribute of the earth, of course, has to do with grounding, has to do with stability, has to do with having the sense of belonging, living on earth, and being stable, acquiring wealth. Then we have the Nkwo market there. And its element is the wind or air, and has the attribute of movement, communication. And every market there, because every market there has, or each market there has specific energy, we choose to do different events on market there that will conform to the energy of the event or the activity or ritual. So for instance, the Eke market there, because it has the element of fire, it's a day we use to do rituals or activity event that has to do with creativity, new beginning, starting new events, starting new projects. The Ore market there, because it has to do with the water element, we use it to engage in activities that we seek healing, we seek cleansing, we seek caring, nurturing. And the Afro market there, because it has to do with that. We use those days to embark on projects of acquiring and building. Then the Mpo market there, we engage such activities like get involved in discussions, business discussions, business meeting, community meeting, discussion, family, because of the energy that is associated with Mpo. Also traveling, because has to do, the attribute of Mpo has to do with movement, the wind or air. So we, the Igbo people, we carefully fix days, events on the days of the week that connects to the energy of the week, so that we can tap into the blessings and the energy of that particular week. So that's what I want to share with you in Igbo cosmology. So we have Eke, Ori, Afo, Mpo, and the Eke has the fire element. Ori, water, Afo, the earth, Mpo, wind or earth. Thank you so much. I wish you God's blessing in everything that you do. And thank you for following me, supporting and sharing my videos. So this is my April 2025 video to say thank you to my non-Igbo followers. See you next month. Bye.